66 plus 1 is a really easy problem. We will have a digit in array representation, and we need to add 1 at the end and count this as a array representation of that integer. And just like another integer, if it's 9, 1 plus 9 is 10, it's going to be this format. Okay, so what we have done here, we have assumed that we have a carry 1, and we used a while loop here. We started from the ending or the last part, which is for this example 3, and just like adding 1, we have added the carry, and we're going to add the carry, and the sum is going to be 1 digit, and the carry is going to be more than 10, or actually the if it's 10, it's going to be 1, and 22, actually it cannot be more than 10. So that's the carry updating part. And yeah, here is another edge case. If the index is the first index, and then we need to insert it at the beginning. And yeah, for the loop I have just -1 until it's equal to 0, and finally we return the digit. Okay, let's run this one and see. Thank you.